It's time for another episode of Kiska Brand Bajega, India's biggest digital celebrities. I'm your host Farida Khan, and today we have with us Manav Chhabra, whose funny skits and entertaining lip-sync duets have made him the king of Musical.ly. We also have with us today Nagma Mirajkar, who has redefined being a social media celebrity and has risen as one of the top TikTok stars in the country.
Hi.
Manav and Nagma, welcome to our show.
Thank
It's
you.
a pleasure to have you here with us
Thank you
today.
so much.
So let's start by digging a little deeper into your journeys as digital celebrities. My first question to you is, how did you start to create content on platforms like TikTok and Musical.ly? Were there any influencing factors, or was this a strategic step to make it as a big digital celebrity?
I think मेरे लिए तो it was not a very professional thing, and I was just in my it just started the college, so उसके बाद I was making videos for Instagram. Then this app came up, Musical.ly, and it was not that popular in India, so I started using it. Watching people making it. Nagma was already there when I started. So yeah, उसके बाद slowly people came to know about the app. They started using it, and a year ago it turned into TikTok, and now everybody knows about it, and it's a very big thing now, most trending app right now. So yeah, at that time it was not professional. It was very random. It was just making random videos.
So when did you start on Instagram and when did you move on to Musical.ly?
I started around 2014. I started using Instagram, just posting normal pictures and some Bhangra videos because I used to make that. So after TikTok, after Musical.ly started, it was a vertical format. So you have to create a different content other than the Instagram. Instagram is a more of a horizontal platform. So I started it, and it worked for me well. And after this TikTok thing, now it's you have to make professional stuff with a lot of planning and a lot of strategy. It's not just you have to post it, you have to plan your content.
What about you?
Basically, I was that kind of girl who used to be there on every platform. For example, if Instagram started, I was one of them. Few of those people who want to be the first on the platform. So I used to be very active on Orkut. I was quite famous on Orkut. I was quite famous on Facebook. And there was this thing called Farmville. This game. So I was a very famous person on Farmville because I had crossed different levels. So इसी तरह से I used to be on an early bird on every platform. So when I was on Instagram, I started blogging. Okay, so I used to create content for fashion and beauty on my Instagram. It was a static thing. I was not making videos back then, and I had my own blog page also. So when I used to write and review about products and everything, and that time I saw this video on my explore page on Instagram, which was quite different. So I was like, what is this? Then I came to know about this app called Musical.ly. So I was like, why not try this? And I always had this thing in mind कि अगर मैं ये platform पे पहले जाऊँगी, early bird advantage बहुत होता है. Whoever start using it from the start. So मैंने Musical.ly download किया, बहुत सारे videos बनाए, but Musical.ly पे मुझे likes आते थे 10, 11. But then what I used to do is Musical.ly पे बना के मैं Instagram पे post करने लग गई थी. And then suddenly I came to know that Musical.ly has started their head office in India. And they noticed me that I am a creator who makes a lot of Musical.ly videos. Then they contacted me and they were like, we really like your videos. Please keep making more. We will give you the hashtags which are going to trend soon. So आप उस पे बनाओ. So they motivated me a lot because उनके लिए भी बहुत कम क्रिएटर्स थे इंडिया में और हमें भी एक वो मिल गया था कि ठीक है, they can guide us. And then it boomed. Then Musical.ly वो एक वाइल्ड फायर की तरह हो जाता है, स्पेशली आफ्टर बिकमिंग टिकटॉक. कुछ भी ऐसा प्लान नहीं था, बट मैंने एक चीज़ तो सीख ली थी जब मैं ब्लॉगिंग कर रही थी, दैट वी हैव टू चेंज आवरसेल्व्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द ट्रेंड्स. सो जैसा होता है ना कि Musical.ly आया है, some people might think कि क्या ये नया ऐप है, but why not to try that? People are liking it, so why not to give it a shot? And it worked for me, and I'm very happy and blessed.
So, picking up from where we left, you spoke about how you started off in the digital space. We all know that TikTok and Musical.ly are a rage amongst millennials. So, how helpful or influential do you think TikTok is as a platform for brands to leverage in terms of reaching out to their target audience? And how often do you collaborate with brands for content creation?
I guess it's become very regular that brands come up to us for almost every other campaigns, because the engagement is insane on TikTok, and which I've not seen on any other platform. The loyalty what the audience have with us is on another level. For example, if I'll wear something, I'm sure many people just go and buy the same thing to make a duet with me. I've seen that, you know, if for example I've worn something from FBB, FBB being a very generic brand, and you know, which caters to the 2-tier and 3-tier people. So everybody has the access to go to FBB and they can buy. So I've seen that, you know, once I'd worn a shirt and many people went and, you know, bought the same shirt just to create a duet video with me. It has happened the same thing for different lipsticks also. For example, people ask me which brand lipstick are you wearing, and I can name few brands, for example Maybelline, L'Oreal and all, who has already associated with me for brand promotions. So the loyalty what the fans and the audience have, you know, for us, they genuinely go and buy the product, which is very helpful for the brands.
I guess brands के मामले में काफ़ी revolution सा आया. आपने देखा होगा पहले brands used to give TV ads. तो ज़्यादा TV ads चलती थी, TV पे they used to advertise and all stuff, but it has like definitely changed a lot. अब they are giving importance to the social media. तो ज़्यादा जो भी brand collaborations you've seen, जो भी they start a challenge or something, कोई भी brand वगैरह शुरू करता है, campaigns चलते हैं, तो it's on social media now. Instagram पे they promote, and Insta पे तो काफ़ी देर से चल रहा था, but TikTok के आने के बाद तो काफ़ी revolution आया. पहले क्या होता था, I'll tell you, कि जो promote करते हैं Instagram पे brand used to say कि नहीं, we don't want your TikTok videos, will not give you brands because आपके बहुत ज़्यादा videos है profile पे, and we don't like that. So it's not a good feed. So they used to say this. But now the same brands वो आते हैं and बोलते हैं कि we want a TikTok video with this concept. So this is a change बहुत ज़्यादा जो आया है, because उनको पता है कि if we click a picture that will not influence the people more, but अगर हम वीडियो बनाएंगे engagement plus वो अच्छा लगता है प्रमोट करने में, because we using the brand
jingle use करते हैं
उसको उस concept में use करते हैं कि वो ऐसा लगे भी ना कि हमने उसका प्रमोशन किया in a good way.
Do you think that digital celebrities who have this engagement, you know, अपनी audience के साथ, they're more mindful of the kind of brands that they associate with in general, not just YouTube, but just generally more TikTok stars, more Instagram influencers? Do you think they're more mindful about the brands that they're approaching and engaging with?
They should be.
Yeah, they should be.
If they are not, they should be, because it's a very important thing. And जो आपका प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन था उसके लिए मैं ऐड करना चाहती हूँ कि पहले ब्रांड्स बहुत ट्रेडिशनल माइंडसेट से थी, एंड वो लोग सोशल मीडिया को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे थे इतना. बट इंडिया में आई गेस लास्ट 1 or 2 years से जो चेंज देखने मिला है ना, अभी भी काफ़ी है जो नहीं उस फेज में आए हैं कि सोशल मीडिया पे हम अपना करेंगे. बट आई एम श्योर कि नेक्स्ट 2 years में सब कुछ डिजिटल होगा, सब कुछ. जो भी अभी फिलहाल ट्रेडिशनल मीन्स एंड मोड से प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, दे आर गोना सून शिफ्ट टू सोशल मीडिया, बिकॉज यू नो बेस्ट थिंग इज हियर यू गेट टू सी the reports in 1 or 2 days.
You can see the analytics and the numbers, कितना reach गया है,
पता चल जाता है,
कितना swipe ups आया,
ऑर्गेनिक होता है. So ये सब चीज़ें बहुत हेल्पफुल होती है मार्केटिंग को लेकर. Then they can you know, plan for their next campaign based on the previous insights.
I think that's a really interesting insight to this entire side of brands getting involved with platforms like TikTok and Instagram. After this dose of information, I think we should play a game. So brace yourself. This is called #it. It's another really simple game. All you have to do is find 5 relevant hashtags in 10 seconds each to the items that I name. Who should I start with?
Nagma.
Okay, let's go. The eyeliner.
Hashtag black, hashtag winged, hashtag cat eyes, hashtag
Maybelline.
hashtag Maybelline. Maybelline नहीं है ये, but फिर भी Maybelline.
And hands up.
Okay.
I think that was pretty good.
Yes. Oh shit.
Your shoes.
I'm scared now. My shoes.
Yes.
Hashtag Zara, hashtag Blue, hashtag Shoe Addict, hashtag White, hashtag
Shoe
Funky.
game strong. Shoe game strong. was
I
the best.
think
Shoe
that
game
was
strong.
great.
Yeah.
But it's
Okay,
not funky, but fine.
What about your earrings?
Earrings.
Yes.
Oh god. Hashtag blingy. Hashtag accessorize. Hashtag diamonds. Hashtag fashion.
And
Hashtag
hands up. You got 4 out of 5 again. Okay, it's not bad. What about a watch for you?
Watch.
Yes.
Hashtag DW, hashtag time, hashtag trending, hashtag for you.
दो hashtag तो
How
बहुत
many was
strong है.
that? 4? 4 out of 5.
Cliche hashtags. It works, you know.
Acha. Nagma, what about lipstick?
Hashtag pout. Hashtag Kylie Jenner.
Oh my god.
Hashtag red. उन्होंने मैंने कौन सी लगाया? Hashtag nude lipstick. Hashtag lips. बहुत ही basic है. मैंने 5 बोल
That's
दिया.
how you check the lipstick. Nice.
मुझे यहाँ से देखी actually.
Okay.
Okay, a pair of pants. Pants.
Okay. Hashtag formal, hashtag lifestyle, hashtag blogger, hashtag TikTok, hashtag Instagram.
ये कोई hashtag. अच्छा hashtag cotton, hashtag nylon ऐसा नहीं बोला.
Give me 5 hashtags for yourself.
For myself.
Yes.
Hashtag Nagma Squad. Hashtag TikTok star. Hashtag blogger. Hashtag fashionista. Hashtag cute.
Nice. What about you?
Hashtag MNV, hashtag team MNV, hashtag sexy, hashtag hot, hashtag cute.
Great, guys. That was really quick. I think you guys did pretty well in this game.
Yeah, रोज का काम है हमारा.
So, okay, continuing our conversation, talking about consumers, is there a particular kind of content on your respective platforms that you feel works best with the viewers? Also, are brands that approach you aware of what works and what doesn't?
So for this, I'll say that every platform we have to put different type of content.
Right.
Yeah.
We can't put the same content everywhere. For Instagram, it's more of professionally shot pictures and videos.
Yes.
For TikTok, it's more of relatable, organic and fun videos. For Snapchat, if you go to see, it's more like a day-to-day kind of content which you don't have to review much. You just shoot it and post it. So we have to make and plan the content according to the platform where we are posting, because you have different sizes also.
I think जैसा इन्होंने बोला अभी, तो जो लोग बनाते भी है कंटेंट, उनका भी लोगों के हिसाब से कंटेंट होता है, सबका डिफरेंट होता है. लाइक इफ अ गर्ल इज मेकिंग मेकअप वीडियोस, तो वो मेकअप वीडियोस अगर बनाती रहेंगी तो उनका अच्छा जाएगा कंटेंट, बिकॉज बाकी रैंडम वीडियो तो सब बना ही रहे हैं. तो आई गेस एक पर्टिकुलर फील्ड को आप पकड़ोगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा.
Niche audience to
या तो उसको अपनी टारगेट ऑडियंस आपको पता होनी चाहिए. इफ यू आर डांसर यू शुड मेक डांस वीडियोस, एंड टारगेट भी वही ऑडियंस को करना चाहिए.
That's interesting. So this brings us to the last game of the episode, which is called Can You Sell? You will be handed a product category for which you need to come up with a 15-second advertisement as you would do on TikTok. But the only rule here is that you have to get as creative as possible while selling the product. Who wants to go first?
Okay.
Okay, Manav. Your first category is, what about clothing?
Clothing, I'll definitely use that trend. अगर आपने देखा होगा तो there are a lot of videos जहाँ पे लड़का आता है, he comes to the screen and the cloth ऐसे उसके हाथ में, यहाँ पे transition, then दोबारा change, blah blah blah, ऐसे 20 to 30 clothes they change in a video. So I'll definitely use that. This is a
I think
bad.
काफी interesting होगा
Yeah,
ऐसे
this is a bad t-shirt. New t-shirt.
And we have done that for a brand also.
The cloth is like better, so ऐसा we can promote.
Detergent.
Detergent. Detergent का किया है ना हमने, I guess, Rin या फिर किसी ब्रांड का, Tide का, या I'll dance. I'll dance on a tight song.
कौन सा वाला गाना?
कुछ भी, I'll start dancing. मेरे गंदे कपड़े हैं and transition. उसके बाद white
Okay, shoes.
shoes. I'll do that challenge where you put the shoes on the camera, then you are in different place. Keep changing the place. Jack Clean ने वो किया था and it got really viral on the platform.
Shoe challenge.
So shoe challenge. It's a shoe challenge. So the best
Perfect.
challenge for the shoes, I
I
guess.
think that was really good. Nagma, let's start with you. Okay. Your first category is obviously beauty products.
Beauty products, like I guess the best thing is like the transformation. For example, I don't have any lipstick on my face, so I'll be like very sad that I don't look groomed and all, and suddenly I'll do this
Wow.
and I'm all glamorous
And the boys
thanks
are like,
to the beauty product that thank you for
Perfect.
making me look so
What about smartphones?
smartphones. I can show that I'm taking a picture or something, and then I'm not looking good because of the pixelated quality, and I'm trying to upload it, but it's very slow. So then my friend will come up and he'll say, अरे तुम क्या कर रही हो, कौन से ज़माने में जी रही हो, ये हटाओ और ये लो नया फ़ोन.
8x zoom.
हाँ, इसमें इतना जूम है कि तुम दूसरे प्लैनेट को भी जूम करके देख सकती हो और वहाँ के लोगों को भी कांटेक्ट कर सकती हो. ये इतना स्मार्ट है. सो या दिस इज द स्मार्टफोन.
Okay. What about jewelry?
Jewelry में I guess do a fun skit. For example, see ये मुझे अभी on the spot है, पता नहीं कैसे, मतलब मैं ऐसे चलते जा रही हूँ, ठीक है, वही ज्वेलरी पहना है मैंने. सो फिर एक चोर आता है, वो निकाल के भागता है. फिर वो देखता है, फिर वो वापस आता है, बोलता है ये इतनी प्रिटी ज्वेलरी ये कहाँ की है. तो मैं बोलूँगी ये मैंने यहाँ से लिया है.
ऐसे चोर सबको मिलने चाहिए.
Oh my god. Yeah. Nice.
Brilliant. That's really nice. Moving on to the end of our segment, I have one last question for you. With expanding horizons of various digital platforms and also the variety of content, how are you planning on maintaining an edge amongst your peers? Also, what is the next big thing in terms of growing digitally for the both of you?
So to maintain an edge, we try to be as original as we can and to be updated with whatever is happening. जो भी trend आता है, क्या होता है कि काफ़ी लोग बोलते हैं कि क्या बकवास है ये वो, but they don't understand that this is working and that's why we are doing it.
Yeah.
So वो तो करना ही पड़ता है. प्लस जो खुद का स्टाइल है वो कभी छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. ओरिजिनलिटी तो बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड what we try to do is we try to be consistent, because मैंने देखा है काफ़ी क्रिएटर्स जो बहुत अच्छे लेवल पर आ जाते हैं, बट बिकॉज ऑफ नॉट बीइंग कंसिस्टेंट वो हमारी ऑडियंस है ना बहुत जल्दी मूव ऑन हो जाती है. आज इसको देखा रही नहीं, और कंपटीशन भी बढ़ गया है. सो देयर इज ऑलवेज अनदर नगमा वेटिंग टू कम ऑन द स्पॉट. सो व्हाट वी ट्राई टू डू इज दैट हम लोग बहुत कंसिस्टेंट होते हैं. ऐसा एक भी दिन हम लोग दिन में 5 वीडियोस बनाते हैं, तो और वो एवरीडे होता है, विच इज़ वेरी हेक्टिक. बट वो अगर छोड़ दिया ना तो यू नेवर नो हम कितने पीछे रह जाएंगे. सो रोज़ कंसिस्टेंसी, डिफरेंट कंटेंट एंड खुद का जो स्टाइल है वो लेकर चलोगे. सो दैट इज़ हाउ वी मेंटेन दैट पोजीशन in the market.
Definitely, मेरे हिसाब से रियल रहना तो जैसे उन्होंने बोला बहुत ज़रूरी है. People when they get a little fame, they start changing their self, their nature and their like attitude towards the people. So I guess उनको वैसे ही रहना चाहिए जैसे हैं वैसे रहो, प्लस humble रहो. मतलब इतना अगर आप थोड़ी सी फेम से ही चेंज होने लग जाओगे तो people start थिंकिंग कि ये अब चेंज हो गया है, तो वो शिफ्ट हो जाती है ऑडियंस बहुत जल्दी. बट लकीली हमारी जो ऑडियंस है वो इतनी लॉयल रही है हमारे साथ. जो नगमा स्क्वाड 3-4 साल पहले थी वो अभी भी वही हैं. सेम फैन पेजेस मेरे भी. आई एम वेरी लकी कि द सेम पीपल, टीम एम एंड वी स्टिल देयर. सेम पीपल 3-4 साल से जो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो दे आर वेरी लॉयल टू मी. प्लस आई गेस प्लेटफॉर्म के हिसाब से हम कंटेंट बनाते हैं, जैसे नगमा बोल रही है कि वैसा अलग अलग कंटेंट बनाए. प्लस ऑनलाइन तो हम कर ही रहे हैं, हम ऑफलाइन भी डेफिनेटली वी आर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट. नगमा हैज़ डन 2-3 म्यूजिक वीडियोज़, आई हैव डन 5-6 म्यूजिक वीडियोज़, and I've just walked for Bombay Times Fashion Week. So वी आर डूइंग लॉट फॉर द ऑफलाइन थिंग टू. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम एक चीज़ से बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट हो गए हैं कि वी आर लाइक फेमस ऑन टिकटॉक तो टिकटॉक हो गया तो टिकटॉक. ऐसा नहीं है. We are trying like really hard to get audience on YouTube too, on Instagram, on TikTok. Plus we are trying to get into music videos, web series.
Constant evolution.
मतलब हर जगह पे हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं कि एक चीज़ पे ही स्टिक है. एंड डेफिनेटली कई लोग ये सोचते हैं कि हम फोटोज़ हम जैसा ब्लॉगर्स भी हैं वो भी कहते हैं कि हम फोटोज़ हमारे लिए टिकटॉक नहीं है. बट जो ब्लॉगर्स को पता लग गया आप अपना ब्लॉगर वाला कंटेंट भी टिकटॉक पे प्रमोट कर सकते हो इन योर ओन वे. दिस इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म, दिस इज नथिंग एल्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत कुछ यू हैव टू मेक जैसा कोई वीडियोस बना रहा है फनी वीडियोस बना रहा है आपको फनी वीडियोस बनाना ऐसा नहीं है. यू कैन प्रमोट योर ब्लॉगर थिंग योर क्लोथिंग थिंग ऑन टिकटॉक टू. तो जब उनको वो समझ आ जाएगा कि दिस इज नथिंग, मतलब लोग बोलते रहते हैं टिकटॉक क्या ये क्या ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, एंड जब वो समझ जाएंगे जस्ट अ प्लेटफॉर्म जिसके पास अब बहुत ज़्यादा ऑडियंस है. अब अपनी ऑडियंस वहाँ से शिफ्ट करके यहाँ पर लेके आओ एंड उस पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करोगे और वो थोड़ी ईगो छोड़ दोगे कि नहीं हम नहीं आएंगे टिकटॉक पे.
क्यों? I think वो प्लेटफॉर्म को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम
लगता है. सबको लगता है
टाइम बहुत हो गया अभी.
बहुत टाइम हो गया. अब बहुत टाइम हो गया.
ये बेस्ट टाइम है. अगर इससे लेट हो गए देन
पीपल आर टेकिंग ओवर. दैट्स इट. इंडिया में टैलेंट की कमी नहीं है. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू सी
we get to see so many
like young talents. You see 14-15 साल के लड़के लड़कियां they're like earning a lot and that's a big thing. Their parents will be so proud कि इतनी छोटी उम्र में they are like earning a lot. I am here in Mumbai, like just moved 2 months back and 2-3 साल हो गया. I guess नगमा ने और मैंने भी किसी ने भी अपने घर से 1 रुपया भी नहीं मांगा होगा. तो we are surviving by our own and it's a very big thing because ये पहले नहीं होता था.
I think it's really interesting everything that you guys have said, even the projects that you are planning to work on. Best of luck with all of that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being part of the show. And this brings us to the end of Kiska Brand Bajega, India's biggest digital celebrities. This is me, Farida Khan, signing off.
We always target relatability और उसके बाद हम लोग funny अपने, because अगर कोई भी वीडियो देख के बोलता है कि हाँ ये हमारे साथ हुआ है, we are happy in that thing. Like funny तो अपने आप हो जाता है.
Sometimes like you find inspiration in like the most randomest places. It can even be from like a rickshaw wala.